Okay, from as Taylor dot clusters import K means。我那就装回去那个框框啊，我又变成美国队长。SSE. We make SSE just like a array group. 我们先 suppose we will make it 10 cluster for I in range. 10. And each time, K means equal. K means N cluster. This is the K. N cluster means K equal I plus 1 because I was starting from 1. So here, N clusters means K. Means K. And I start from 0. Hence, need to plus 1. 它从0开始，所以要加1。The initial, the method 我们用的就是刚刚讲的 K means 加。It will select the data, the central more widely. Random state, we use today's state. And then we will fit the data. Fit X new. SSE dot append. K mix. Now, its central is in inner tier. The centroid equal inner tier dash on the line. So after that, we print SSE. So SSE here, run a lot of time, right? This is warning, only build dancing. This is our SSE here. So it will coverage 收敛到后面其实变化都不太大了。Okay, so we can draw a diagram. 我们可以画图。In quote, we use the matplotlib. Highlight as PLT. PLT dot plot range. PLT dot plot. Plot range. 我们是从1 to 10，就是 range 含前括号 and SSE and the marker 符号。如果你有考过老师的那个证照就知道，这个 marker 是符号，我们用的是 O。And we also 给它 X label。这个 label 我们就叫 number of clusters。Number of clusters. And Y label, Y 轴 is SSE. Y label is SSE. So then we will plot here. We'll plot here. You can see it is 2 cluster, it will destroy very quickly and until 4 and 5, 6. So it's I told you it's ambiguous. How many clusters is ambiguous? So sometimes I will give you a result， 我会跟你讲 I want number equal 4. So finally I want the result is 4. So please do it. So we can do that one more time. A plus with equal 4. Suppose the 4 is the fast. 假设4我们觉得是合理的分群 then we will make it A is 2 dot big X and we print它的这个 K means 的 internet 它的 SSE。 Okay, the best SSE is just like this. And then we also want to know the centroid, final centroid. K means the cluster centroid. Enter. Cluster on the right, centers on the right. Okay, because the loop will do a lot of times. 对，这边会做很多次，我们就 we just do this part. This part is more easier. So we do it. Just run one time. So it will spend a lot of times. No? Okay. Plot. Proper? I don't want plot now. Almost. So this is 这个 all the clusters 这个4群的群数。So I give the data frame. We call that看到 data frame。我们来看一下这4群的执行是谁。We want to see the 4 clusters and 所以我们把这4群的执行贴过来，让它变成个表格 ，make it as a data frame and give the colors 15 equals a use dot colors. Okay. So data frame here. Data frame here. This is the 4 clusters. Okay. Do I need you? Waiting for you? Yes? Yes. Oh, wait a minute, because I want more important things. I just type it first. From sklearn.matrix, I will introduce another. We call that COLATE. COLATE score. 轮廓系数哈。In Chinese, 轮廓系数。Higher means result better. So it's a matrix can help us COH. Equal the score in next hour at new with the payments to the labels matrix equal equilibrium equilibrium, and we will print. OK， 好，这个分数没有好到哪里去哦。But I will waiting for you. This part is for drawing. This part is for when we after we determine full cluster, then we do the other thing. Now, for your final report, at least the full cluster, okay? For your final report, at least the full cluster. 你的期末报告最后至少 full cluster. 好，I will stop it here.